the favor of private schools. Private schools has the much better facilities of the study. There are more better faculties of the teachers. There are good qualities of benches. And in the private schools, the result is much better than the government schools.
What is faculties?
In the teachers.
In the current time, in government school, the benches and other facilities are better in the current time, and result of government school is very good.
But if you go into the Mahatma Gandhi schools, there is not a proper furniture. There is only a first, and the students study on the first. I am also studied in Mahatma Gandhi school. There is also benches, but in not all classes. But is not all classes. The teachers of the government schools are sleeping in the classes.
No. This is not right. How can you say this? How can you say this?
I have seen.
So how will I believe?
Your father is government teacher?
Yes.
So you see that. How can you say that the government school's teacher is sleep in class? I have seen that. My father and my mother is a government teacher.
So they sleep in the class.
My father and my mother is a government teacher, and I go to their school and a lot, and they sleep in class. No, a teacher is sleeping in the class. But your father is not teaching. But your father and mother is also teaching. Yes, but they are teaching.
But in government schools, the poor people have also study, and you say there is more cheating in government schools.
Yes.
So in private schools, during the exam time, the teacher also standing at the door, and the children are also cheat.
School gave mobile and laptop for students. This is very bad for the student.
You should speak more time, okay? You should not pass only 1 minute and 2 minutes.
But how can you say that they give only mobile and laptop? They give also bike, scooty, cycle. But the bike, scooties and cycle are not good for the students of age of less than 18 years. If a student of 12th class get a scooty and then his small brother riding the scooty and he may accident. But cycle is good. So why?
Just give him.
In private school, you don't answer my question. I said that the teachers in the private schools standing at the door during exam time.
And the students are cheating.
Yes.
But it is a rare case that the teacher is standing at the door and the student is cheating. But
Okay. First of all, you should keep your point. How can you say that private job is good?
private job is good because there is much better faculties. There is more electricity facility and furniture facility. In the private schools, the students get much better percentage than the government schools.
You said that there is a much better facilities in private schools. There is in all classes benches in private schools. In government school they also have benches, and I'm asking you, how does it matter on study? The government school don't have benches, electricity.
if a school does not have any electricity, then in the summer times the students are getting the sweatening. Students are sweatening and they tear the page of the notebook and doing like this.
This is not true. In government schools, the electricity is also, and when light is not come in a private school, also in the summer time the children are also tear their page in the notebook.
But they have generator.
In not all the classes, because when I study in previous class, when the light is not come, in the summer time the children are also tear their page, and
The student want to study. Its matter is not depend to him.
Why you are not taking chance? Just give him chance also.
but in the private schools, the light is not come, and they have a generator, and they start the generator, and give the electricity in all the building. The generator in current times, the generator is also in the government school. But not all the government schools. No, in all the private schools have generator. And
How you
after
will explain this matter and you have another point.
retirement, the government teachers and other employers of which is in government job give more money when they are retired, like 7-8 lakhs.
In the government school, students sit on the floor, and in the private school, students sit on the furniture. Due to this, government school students cannot concentrate on the study, but due to furniture of the private schools, their backbone should be straight and they can concentrate properly. How you can say that the government schools has not any furniture? I have seen, because I have seen that.
You see in past time, but in the current time, the government school also have furniture.
I have seen
And
current.
after retirement, the government employers also get pension.
I have seen that in current time. And please answer my question that students of which school get good percentage?
If the parents of students are poor, how can they study their children in private school?
How can they study?
But if there is a rich man, so answer my question, he let his children to study in government school or private school?
Repeat your point.
If a person is rich, then he let his children to study in government school or private school?
Most of the people of India are farmers, not rich men.
But the poor people also let their children to study in private schools. I see many students study in private school, and their parents are farmers.
This is not matter of parents or farmers or not. If the parents are poor and they are not able to pay the fees of the private school, they don't study in the private school. And to pay the fees, the private teachers also force the children to pay fees. But in the private school, 25% of the students are poor and their parents are farmers. How can you say that only 25% of the parents are poor and they are farmers? I said that in a private school, 25% of the student study in the school and their parents are farmer. And you te- you say and
You said.
You said that.
much of the farmers are not poor. If the farmer have more property, he grow the crops and produce more money and teach their students in a private school. Please repeat your point.
But it is the good thing. You have said that farmers are also let their children to study in private schools. You have said that poor people let their children to study in government schools.
Yes.
So they are studying properly or not properly?
Yes,
They are
properly.
studying
Properly.
not properly.
Properly.
They are
How can you
studying.
say that? How can you say that?
I have seen. I have said that.
But the private school, but government school study classes was very less time, like then 15-30 minutes, and private school very more time. Study was very more time, like that 1 hour, 45 minutes, and lunch was 15 minutes.
This is not perfectly right, because in private school the periods are of 35 minutes also.
45 minutes.
35 minutes
45 and 1 hour.
35 minutes also.
45.
Also 35 minutes.
I have seen.
You see, in private school, lunch is also 15 minutes, but the lunch of government school is 1 hour, 30 minutes. So there is a ground, the children also play, and they also know about many games in government school. The private schools students also close in a building.
Yes.
So it's wrong.
But in the private schools have game periods, and the teachers
Okay, first of all, we will speak. Don't give him chance.
and the teachers tell the students how to play games and tell about the many more games. How can you say that? In our school have a game period. If there are 3 weekends, you say that in game period. There is no game period in our school. If there is weekend period, we can play, and there is weekend period. Like there is a 3 weekend period, and we don't go to play in 3 weekend period. But we can go to 3 weekend period. This is harm for our study. We can go 1 period and we play, and 2 period we can study and take very good percentage.
The students of private school are growing day by day in the sports sector. The students of the government school are not going to the top of the sports. Only the private schools are giving the chance to the students to grow more and reach at the top of the sports. If you said that the private school have weekend lecture, So we go one lecture. It's 3 lectures. So it's harm for our study. But we can pair period. The student cannot study. They are dependent work, homework, the teacher gives them. They cannot study. Like learning work, they also write, they also drawing, they also play,
They also talking.
they also talking, but they are not answering my question.
Okay, who will give the answer of this question? What was your question?
What is the question?
Please repeat your question again.
I have said that the students of the private schools are growing more and more day by day in the sports sector, but the government schools students are not growing in the sports sector. And I have one more question, that students of which school get good percentage?
Okay, you will give the answer.
If the child of a poor person study in government school, and if he want to study, he can study well. And much of the students of government school are want to go top in the playing sector, sports sector.
And the government schools get good percentage. Students get good percentage. But private school students get much better percentage than the government school. They can crack the exams of the JEE, NEET and IAS, but the government school students are not able to crack these exams. Only a 5%, 10% students are able to crack these exams. And I have a question
First of
also.
all, you should listen and then you have to give the answer. Okay, don't give chance. He is speaking.
You have said that the students of the government schools have good manner. Students of the government school have good manner, but this is not right. The students of the private school have good manner.
This is also not perfect, right?
This is right.
How?
You have seen in your school.
Don't take chance. He is speaking. You don't have thoughts and you are trying to speak. Do you have thoughts? Please deliver the thoughts.
And you say that
Only you are pointing your sister. Okay, speak.
And you say that the government school, private school does not
Very.
very to play. It is good for student.
In the government schools, students are playing in the lunch time and they get hurted and get injury. So how can you say that government schools are good? And if he is a child of a poor person, so how can he pay the fees of the doctor?
There is also in our country government hospitals.
But it take a lot of time to get proper treatment of the student.
Sir, you are not giving a chance to your partner.
This is not right.
This is right.
Okay, speak.
This is also right because like that our child play and he hurted and its mind and he suffering from the head injury, and it take very more time to get treatment.
It's wrong because my brother also.
You are not to say that it is wrong. Okay?
But sir, it's
But you are
depend
not
on
to say
teacher.
that. First of all, in a GD, you will not say this is wrong. Okay?
But it depends on teacher. Teacher
If you are
gives.
not satisfied, you should deliver your thought. If you are not satisfied, please deliver the report.
The teacher is gave him treatment to by doctor, and my brother also studied in government school. There they have a show. चोट को क्या कहते हैं?
Heart injury.
Heart at injury at this head. The school principal gave him treatment by the doctor.
How much time it take to recover him? It take a lot of
It is
time.
depend on the injury.
Okay, he will speak. Do you have thought? Okay, speak. You are speaking, but some sentences are not right.
The government school provided the every need of a student, and the private school
You
are
are speaking good, but something you have mistake. Okay.
and the private school is not provide the every needs of the students. Like books, drawing materials, and educational materials, food packages.
You have said that the government school gives the education material to the students.
Yes.
So how they use these things? They do not use these things. They just keep these things in the corner of a house and goes out of the house to play.
How can you see?
I have seen that.
You go his home and see he keep the.
I have seen many my colleagues.
Okay, now last time you will have to put your 3 points that you can prove that government job is good. You are favoring private only.
Private job is good because the students of the private schools get much better percentage than the government schools, and there is much better faculties and the electricity facilities and the furniture facilities in the private schools. The teachers of the private schools are better than the government teachers.
Okay, 3 points you have spoken, and you will speak 3 points. Then you can prove government schools are good.
मेरे पॉइंट का आने का गलत
Don't speak Hindi.
You
Okay, first of all you will
don't
give the
have-
answer of these points, and then you will deliver your thoughts. Okay, now speak your thoughts.
In previous point you said that the government schools give the laptop, phones, and the children's.
First of all, answer my questions.
Okay, first of all he is delivering.
Yes.
Please go.
And you said that the children misuse the laptop,
Yes.
phones. But in private schools, the children are also use phones and they misuse the phones.
But the
Please
yes.
complete my 3 points. And my second point is, in government school, any type of people are also study in a government school. If he rich, poor, and there is in when this is very cold, there is vacations in government schools, not in private school, and this is not good for children. The children are sick.
Repeat your point.
When this is very cold, the government schools are closed and private schools are opened. And when this is very cold, the students of the private school were sick.
You have said that the students of the private school also see the laptops and the mobiles. But the teachers of the private schools stop them to doing this. But the government school teacher gave them mobile or laptop to see. And your question is that the private schools are open during the vacations, winter vacations. But this is good for the students because they can study more and more. And the private schools also give vacations to the students during winter.
But in a government school, the holidays are also given on the weather, how the weather is. But in a private school, there is a holidays of last 7 to 8 days, and when this is very cold, the private schools are opened, so children are sick. In the more fog, the driver do not see forward. In the much fog, it is the chance of accident.
But during the harsh fog, the private schools are closed. Like my school,
How many days?
for 10 to 15 days.
No.
This is right.
The fog are not fall to 10 to 15 days. It is fall to 15 to 20
Okay, you should
days.
give another point.
Another point.
Another point if you have, you can keep.
Much of the government school don't have the bus facilities.
Yeah.
But the private schools have a bus facilities.
Transportation facility.
If they have a transportation facilities, they have a chance of accident.
But like that you are living in village, so how you can come in Nanduri? So the school bus will no go.
If a student is coming from a village by road and a car strikes him, then he may die. How can you say that? The government school is much better. There is not a proper transportation facilities. In a private school, if a student is from Nagar and he want to study in Nadbai in a good school, then he can come from the bus from the Nagar.
But I also said at this point, when this is more cold and this is more fog, he said that the drivers are not seen forward, and there is a chance of accident. You don't answer this question. I answered.
This is very rare.
This is very rare, and in a private schools have a bus and good driver, and the
Don't
bus
tell him.
and
Don't tell him.
the bus have the lights, the driver start the lights, and any other vehicle see the light and take the speed of the car very slow, and you said that in a fog there is chance of accident. But in a government school there is more fog. The students are come from it home on foot, and the car hurted him. In the more fog, the vacation, the school was closed of the government school. But also the private schools are closed.
Okay,
You
you are
are
not.
right.
Okay, we have discussed this point, and you are not discussed this point.
Yes,
again, okay?
you are repeating.
You are repeating the point again and again. Okay, another point you can keep.
Sir, only he has said 3 point, I have said 3 point, and he has said 3